In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create salary sheet in Google Sheets Excel. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. You can do this by visiting the Google Sheets homepage, then making sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. Once you are there, you are ready to bring in a payroll template that will save you time and keep everything organized. Next, go to the template website and click on the highlighted salary sheet option in the search results. This takes you to a specific employee payroll register template page. Templates like this are useful because they already include common payroll columns and formatting, so you do not have to build the sheet from scratch. On the template page, look for the option that says Edit in Google Sheets and click it. This is important because it opens the template in the Google Sheets environment, where you can work with it like any other spreadsheet. Give it a moment to load fully, especially if your connection is slow. After that, click on Download Template. Even though it says Download, what you are really doing here is getting access to the file so you can create your own editable copy. This helps you keep the original template unchanged in case you ever want to reuse it later. Once the Google Sheets template preview opens, find and click the US Templates button. This creates a new copy of the salary sheet in your own Google Drive. In most cases, it will be named something like Copy of, followed by the template name. This is now your personal working file, and any edits you make will be saved automatically. Finally, click on the highlighted area inside the spreadsheet to begin editing. Start by selecting the cells where you will enter employee and payroll details. As you fill in your information, stay consistent with formats like dates and currency, so totals calculate correctly. If you see pre-filled example data, you can replace it directly with your own values in the same cells. Also, take a second to scan the headers so you understand what each column is intended for before entering numbers. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.